So something people don't do enough is log and monitor what's actually happening in their automation. That is really important. So for instance, here I have a video coming out about using Submagic to take any video and stylize it and caption it, and then you can put it, it'll automatically put it into another Google Drive folder. But let's say, let's say Google Drive, it found it, it went in here, sets the variables, it created the video. And then what I want to do in here, this project retry, is after it starts the process of creating the video, then it goes in here and it checks to see whenever it's done. So you can see in here, this loop, it went through 5 times, and on the 5th time, then it went into where we download it and save it and get it ready to put out to social media. But it went through 4 times. And the thing about these automations is that you're not going to be watching this every time it happens, because the goal is it happens behind the scenes whenever you do something. So I'm not going to come in here and say, oh, look, okay, it's going through 4 times. No. So I need a way to log and monitor what's happening with the automation. So I'm using Airtable to come and say, hey, this is happening. And what I do there in the for loop to check to see if it's done is I set it to processing instead of completed. So it's set to processing. So I can come in here and say, oh, okay, at 8:27 at 7:19 p.m. it was processing. And then at the end, I would update that record to then say completed. And not only do you want to know if it's like successful or not, you should really try to see if things are failing. And one way you can do that is, say my Google Drive trigger, say something failed here, like in my AirBrain, say there was something there. Instead, you could go to your settings. You can say always output data, and then continue. And this on error, you can say continue using error output. So then here I could come in here and put another Airtable record. I could say create or update a record, and then I could come in here and choose the table and say, okay, I just want to pass the error message that was coming here so that I know, without being able to see what actually looking at my n8n automation, like, hey, something happened and I need to fix it.